Don't run across the goal! No!
Too many people on court, yellow cards!
Get it together!
Oh, good dodging.
The AI that is.
Good hit there on Minotaurs.
Subway Superentry is the quality.
Oh, some fantastic dodging. A bit optimistic by Tim Tonne. Oh, good. Solid catch by Parry. That ball is still on the court. Oh, it's in the dead zone. What's going to happen? Oh, it's unbelievable.
Hit the ball, Parry! Hit the ball! Hit the ball, Parry!
Just throw it in. Solid dodging from that number 23 for Minotaurs. Oh. Chris Harper trying to join the fabled Salmon Club. That's hit foot. Oh. Ref calls bounce. Controversial. Oh, great catch. And that's a win from Derby. That's 3 games to zip.